Hello friends, welcome back to another video on making paper boat. Take a paper, see that there is no wrinkles on it, fold it to half. Now rotate it and again fold it. Now open it again and see that there is no wrinkles and make a triangle. Fold the other half, turn back and again fold it. Now open the paper from bottom and open it. It will look like a cap and put the sides of the paper inside one another. Now fold it. Fold it again. Now open the paper from the bottom. Again, fold it and press it. Open the sides and it will become a paper boat. Our paper boat is ready to sail in the water. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure you like. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe. Thanks. We have made some more boats here. Let's see them. Also, we have put them in water. Let's see them how they float in water. Thanks for watching.